Hi, I'm Janne from How to Enjoy Wine, and these are my top 6 wines to have with steak. So they're all red because I think they are the best wines to have with steak. Now there is Pinot Noir if you had a really light cut of steak, but I'm really going for the full-on flavoursome reds. So I'm going to start with a Cabernet Sauvignon, and this one is from California, my absolute favourite. You could go for a blend, and of course Bordeaux, Left Bank Bordeaux. This is the Santa Steph, is a prime one to go for. Couldn't do without Malbec in my top 6. Argentina, steak, red meat, their archetypal grape variety. Definitely that has to be up there. Shiraz. Absolutely love Shiraz with steak, particularly if you're having it with something like a peppercorn sauce or something. The pepper in the wine and the pepper in the sauce works fantastically well together. This one is actually from South Africa. Australia is your archetypal place to go for that. Now, Merlot. I'm a great fan of Merlot. Absolutely love it. This is 100% Merlot. You could also go for a blend. This is one from Saint-Emilion. And there you get, you can sometimes get Malbec in them, Cabernet Franc, or a bit of Cab Sav in there as well. Now, these last two are just personal favourites of mine. So this is an Old Vine Zinfandel from Lodi in California. Absolutely adore Zinfandel. An alternative to that is a Primitivo, which is exactly the same grape variety, but comes from southern Italy, where it originally came from. They're absolutely fantastic with steak. And finally, but not least, I'm going to Valpolicella. And with this, I'm going to a Ripasso. This is where they partially dry the grapes. It's absolutely fantastically fruity and intense flavour and super, super value for money. If you're pushing the boat out and it's a really special occasion, I would go in Aberoni every time.